Guys, so we just got the new XPeak high step in from Lectric bikes. It's one of their newest off-road e-bikes. I'm gonna be doing a project with them out in Snowmass, out doing Maroon Bells, probably in a couple weeks here, but figured I'd make a little video of me unpackaging, see what's inside, and show you guys what it's all about. So let's go.
Going home,